Hey there, come here, I got something to show you. Hey, look over here, picture this. We've got all the things you need when you come to a festival. We've got the coffee, we've got the donuts, we've got the Dutch ones, and then over here, come here, I want to show you something else. Can you hear it? The Renaissance music playing. It feels like we're being transformed to Shakesfest 25, right here, the banner. You'll see it, it'll be great. The Elms, and over here we're gonna have some acrobatic sort of, medieval phenomena, and then we're gonna have some like court jesters here, trying desperately to be funny, you know what I mean? Over here, more activity. Actors walking around dressed like they're in some Shakespearean play. And we've got tables of calligraphy. Would you love to learn calligraphy? Calligraphy.
Oh, absolutely. What is it?
Come to Shakesfest and find out.
Okay.
More food right here, imagine it. Those weird long potato strippy things, but there's more. Can you hear it? Come here, I want to show you.
The funny Christians bells ring, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It sounds so wondrous great, so wondrous sweet, and they go so merrily ahead. Do it again.
Music night is one of the best things that we do here. We're so excited about it. This year, it's different. This year, we're actually putting music night in Shakesfest. All of the choirs, all the ensembles, the rock band, all the soloists, they're gonna be doing things that are Shakespearean. Or maybe they'll do something modern in a Shakespearean costume. And the cool thing about music night is it's one of those events at this school that combines both primary and secondary. It's a whole school phenomenon. What's that smell? More food? Sausages? Pizzas? And hamburgers and oh my! Wait, I hear more things. To be or not to be? That is the question. There are primary kids performing over their little vignettes from what they do. Because at a liberal arts school, they learn Shakespeare too. And we've got secondary people, what are they doing? The end of the Performing Arts Cup, we're gonna have dramatic monologues, the best of the best. House competitions, Mr. Beckwith. Ah! Wait, come back. You're almost leaving before the best part. Come here, I wanna show you something. See, you've got Performing Arts Cup, you got Music Night, you've got everything that we're doing in drama. We're celebrating the One Act Play Festival. We've got music, items, and gestures, but this all leads up to the big moment, the final night, the final performance of Much Ado About Nothing. Shakesfest 25, Toowoomba Christian College celebration of William Shakespeare, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m., leading up to the final performance of Much Ado About Nothing.